Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. This is Lan from the hashtag Walk with Lan. Picture this, mga kababayan, no? A regular guy living in Quezon City is stuck in the daily grind of EDSA traffic and 9 to 5 burnout. Bills piling up, dreams of time freedom fading. Then he's discovered 8 powerful side hustles that completely changed his life. No rich parents, no huge capital, just smart moves that work right here in the Philippines. Some hustles took years to build, but one you can literally start today for free using only your phone and Facebook. Today, we are breaking down his exact journey in honest detail, the wins, the struggles, and exactly how you can copy it. These aren't get rich quick schemes. They are real, proven paths that replace his salary and now fund his entire lifestyle with complete freedom. Stick around till then because the last one alone brought in over 600,000 pesos last month. Let's dive in. He started small with flipping on Facebook Marketplace and Carousel, the Philippine version of treasure hunting. He bought a second hand car for just 150,000 pesos, drove it for years while maintaining it well, then sold it for 180,000 pesos. That quick 30,000 profit, pure skill. He did the same with furniture, gadgets, and even old phones. He fixed up cheaply. The secret, sharp eyes for deals in Quezon City, buy and sell groups, clean photos, and honest descriptions. It takes hassle meeting buyers, negotiating. Um, but margins are real and you control everything. In the Philippines, where everyone loves a good bargain, this hassle scales fast. He turned 10,000 seed money into consistent five-figure months. You can start scouting listing tonight. Next came house hacking, renting out part of his home to slash the biggest expense in any Pinoy budget. He listed a spare room on Airbnb and local Facebook groups. Suddenly, his monthly housing costs dropped by 60%. It felt awkward at first. Sharing space with the extra cash every month was life changing. In the Philippines, cities like Manila or Quezon City, demand is huge from students, professionals, and even short-term visitors. He set simple rules, added basic comforts, and watched the income roll in while still living there. This one move freed up thousands of pesos every month to invest in other hassles. Reducing your biggest bill is one of the fastest ways to build real wealth here. Then he discovered affiliate marketing, earning thousands just by recommending products he already loved. He joined the Shopee affiliate program. Okay. By recommending products you already love, he joined the Shopee affiliate program and Lazada affiliate program, both perfect for Filipinos. He promoted everyday items with honest reviews on social media and his blog. Banks, apps, gadgets, every successful referral paid commission. And here's what it gets exciting for you. To help you start, fast, he recommends 6 game-changing products available right now on Shopee and Lazada through YouTube shopping. First, the wireless lavalier microphone, perfect for clear audio in videos or client calls. Second, the LED ring light kit with tripod for professional looking shots, even in small Philippine homes. Third, the smartphone tripod and gimbal to stabilize your flipping videos or content. Fourth, a high-capacity portable power bank so you can never run out of juice while hustling on the go. Fifth, on an ergonomic laptop stand for comfortable hours creating content. And six, a Bluetooth portable speaker for background music during shoots or motivation while posting. All these are tagged in this video. Shop via Shopee or Lazada, links and start earning commissions yourself while upgrading your setup. Passive income that keeps coming in even while you sleep. Another Another clever one, renting out his home for commercial shoots. Companies needed locations for ads and vlogs, and his well-lit Quezon City house was perfect. One weekend of mild inconvenience, moving some furniture, brought in easy five-figure pay. He listed on Facebook production groups and connected with local directors. No fancy store required. In the Philippines, booming content and ad scene demand is constant. Random but lucrative, it added up fast and taught him the power of assets you already own. He then built and launched digital products and online courses. The front work was tough, recording lessons on side hustles, creating ebooks, but once live on platforms and promoted via affiliates, they earned every single month on autopilot. No inventory, no shipping. Filipinos are hungry for practical knowledge on making money online. He scaled this replace to replace a full salary because digital products sell while you sleep. The key, solve real problems Pinoy audiences face. Yes, he even tried background acting and extra work for commercials and TV. Not glamorous, long hours under hot lights, but fun and paid surprisingly well for a few days' work. In the Philippines, active film and advertising industry around Manila, casting calls are everywhere. On Facebook, it reminded him that there are thousand little ways to earn extra. He treated it as a fun side income while building bigger things. Then then came YouTube. He posted one value pack video a week. No fancy setup at first, just his phone and those same Shopee Lazada tools we mentioned. Slowly the channel grew. Today his YouTube channel completely replaced his 9 to 5, pays for the entire family lifestyle, and gives total time freedom. He used the wireless mic, ring light, and tripod to create pro-looking content from home. The algorithm rewards consistency, and Philippine audience love real, relatable stories. This hustle scaled bigger than he ever imagined. Finally, the one you can start today for free, smart posting on Facebook. Last month alone, this brought in over 600,000 pesos. No big audience, no expensive gear, just consistent value in the right Pinoy groups and pages. He shared tips, deals, and affiliate offers, building trust and driving sales. Facebook is still king in the Philippines. Billions of minutes is spent daily. Most side hustles work if you stick with them, but only a few truly scale like this. He proved anyone in Quezon City or anywhere in the Philippines can do it. So what's stopping you? My dear friends and ladies and gentlemen, pick only one hustle today. Grab those six starter products on Shopee and Lazada. Through the links, I will be tagging those products as well. Post your first Facebook offer or film your first YouTube video. Your 9 to 5 escape story starts now. Drop a comment with which hustle you are starting. Let's support each other. Like, share, and subscribe for more real Pinoy wealth stories. See you in the next one. Keep hustling, kababayan.